art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Yatta from Dandy's World. So first let's get started with the eyes. So on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. Let's leave a gap moving across on the right, and we're going to replicate that. Now let's move in towards the center of both eyes, and we're going to draw in another oval. And now for the eyelashes, we're just going to draw in two curved lines that come out on the top. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. In the center, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that join at a point, creating our first tooth. We'll do the same as we come down on the right, as well as on the left. Now let's draw on the top of the head. So we're going to start by drawing in the hair in the center. So we're going to curve this line out on the left, and then we're going to replicate that from the top point, bringing that down on the right. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a small curved line. On the top, we're going to arch this line out, and then we'll do the same on the bottom. And then again, we're going to close this off with a diagonal line. Let's draw on the top of the head now. So from the center, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down on the right. And then we're going to flip over on the left, and we're going to replicate that, and we're going to end this at roughly the same height. Starting back on the inside now, we're going to again curve this line over and through, ending that at the same height. And now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's close off the bottom of the head, arching this line around and then through, creating a nice big arch line. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in the letter V. And then we're going to move down and replicate that. We're going to move over on the right, arching this line down. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the bottom. We're going to draw in a wavy line as we come through on the top. We'll do that twice. And then we're going to do that as we move in towards the top here. Now we're going to draw in the party hats for the ears. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on the right, and then we'll do the same on the left. From that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line down on the side. Now, like we did on the top of the head, from the corner here, we're going to curve this line down on the bottom. And then again, replicating that underneath. We're going to close this off with a diagonal line. We're going to move underneath, bringing this line across. Let's come out one more time on the bottom, curving this line down. And then again on the top, arching this line over. And now from here, just closing that off with a diagonal line. Let's draw in a wavy pattern. So we're going to do this 2 times as we come up. We'll do the same on the left. Now let's come down and draw in the hair strands underneath. So we're going to curve this line over. We're going to move down and replicate that. Let's close this off with a diagonal line, curving this up. Let's move in again, bringing this line down and then through. And now we're going to draw in another wavy line as we come across. Now in the center for the neck, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to replicate that on the right. We're going to bring this diagonal line in, curving that in towards the center. Now from here, we're going to create a small triangle cutout. Again, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle, and we're going to leave a gap in the center. And then again, we're just going to create another triangle cutout. Moving underneath for the torso now, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. For the legs now, in the center, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle on both sides, joining that together. And then moving over on the outside, again, we're going to arch this line out. Now from here, we're going to bring this line in, drawing a triangle cutout as we come across. Let's bring this line across again in the center. Again, another triangle cutout. And then we're going to close that off by curving that line up in the corner. Now closing this off on the bottom, we're going to create a small arch line for the foot. We're going to draw in a wavy line, so we're going to do this 3 times as we come up. We're going to line it up at the same height each time we do that on both legs. Now for the arms on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. Now from here, for the hand, we're going to curve this line in. And then for the thumb, curving this line out. And then again, we're just going to draw in 3 wavy lines like we did in the legs as we come up. And then moving in behind, we're just going to curve this line around, up and then down. We're going to replicate that on the bottom, creating the loose strands here. Let's draw a diagonal line, closing that off. We're going to move up again, bringing that over. One more time. And then a diagonal line coming down. One more time, moving up, curving this line up. We'll do that twice. And then we're going to curve this line across again. And that is it. That's how you draw Yatta from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.